Hello friends. Have you ever noticed that the things you keep thinking about somehow start showing up in your life? Is it just coincidence? Or do our thoughts actually have that much power? Does the law of attraction really work? That's the question we're going to explore today. And this video might just change the way you think, feel, and live forever. If you're someone who wants to create a positive shift in your life, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel Divya Antar. Because here, we dive into ideas that awaken the soul and help you rise to your highest potential. You've probably heard that famous movie line. When you truly desire something, all the universe conspires to make it happen. It's not just a dramatic dialogue. It's actually a deep and powerful principle of the universe. Something we call the law of attraction. According to this law, you attract into your life whatever you think about and feel most often. Your mind is a magnet. Our brain doesn't just think thoughts. It works like a powerful magnet. When you focus on a thought again and again, your mind starts pulling you toward people, opportunities, and events that match that thought. It's not magic. It's a scientific system called the Reticular Activating System, RAS, which filters your attention toward things that align with your mental focus. As Paramhansa Yogananda once said, imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. In other words, the things you imagine over and over again gradually start becoming your reality. Yogananda believed, your consciousness is your universe. Whatever you see outside is just a reflection of what's happening within you. Let's break the law of attraction into 3 simple steps. 1. Clear desire. First, you need to be crystal clear about what you want. Vague desires lead to vague results. A clear goal creates a clear path. 2. Believe. You must believe, with full trust, that what you desire is already possible. Feel as if it's already yours. This feeling starts syncing your energy with the rhythm of the universe. 3. Take action. Just thinking about it isn't enough. You must take small, consistent steps each day. The universe may open doors, but you have to walk through them. Let's imagine you want to become a writer. If you consistently imagine yourself writing every day, your mind will start nudging you to make time for writing. Read more books. Come up with new story ideas. And slowly, you'll start meeting people who recognize your work. But if you think, I don't have what it takes, who's going to read my book anyway? You'll never even get started. That's the power of your thoughts. And that's exactly how the law of attraction works. The same is true in relationships. If you think, my relationship is filled with love, understanding, and respect, you'll start behaving that way and attract the same energy in return. But if you keep thinking, there's nothing left in this relationship, your brain will only seek more reasons to feel bitter and distant. This also applies to your health. Thoughts like, I'm healthy, I'm full of energy, can actually start boosting the energy in your body. Positive thoughts affect your cells, not just your mood. Is this law universal? Absolutely. This law is as constant as the law of gravity. It's working all the time, for everyone, everywhere, whether you believe in it or not. And here's the key. The law of attraction doesn't care if your thoughts are positive or negative. It simply responds to whatever you think about most consistently. What about children and others around you? Even children and animals can feel your energy. If you constantly fear, what if something bad happens to my child? You're radiating fear and attracting more of it. Instead, try thinking, I'm raising strong and safe children. Your positive thoughts influence not just you, but your entire environment. So, what can you do? Take 5 minutes each day to visualize your dreams. Watch your words. Are you repeating negative phrases often? Create a vision board, put up pictures that represent your goals. Practice gratitude, it raises your vibration. And most importantly, take action, even the smallest step counts. Fire 7-day challenge. Let me give you a small challenge. For the next 7 days, every morning, take 5 minutes to visualize your goal. And take one small action toward that goal. Notice how small changes can lead to powerful transformation. My friends, now is the time to recognize the power of your thoughts. You become what you think. You attract what you feel. The universe is always listening. So why not send it thoughts that lift you higher? If this video resonated with you, please hit like and tell us in the comments. What are you trying to attract into your life right now? And don't forget to subscribe to Divya Antar. Because our mission is simple. To awaken the light that already lives within you. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay positive, stay mindful, and stay empowered. Thank you. Folded hands.